Assume Sachin Tendulkar, the legend, in his young age, when he was 13 years old, goes to Shivaji Park, and his teacher, Ramakant Achrekar, tells him, Sachin, watch me playing. And Sachin tells, yes sir, I'll watch you playing. See how I hit the ball. So Sachin watches him, he goes on playing. Sachin watches and his teacher, Ramakant Achrekar, asks, how did you find my batting? Oh sir, you are great, I just love you. Did you understand everything? Yes sir. How to hit a 6 you understood? Yes sir. How to hit a 4 you understood? Yes sir. How to hit on a bouncer you understood? Yes sir. How to hit on a yorker you understood? Yes sir. Everything you are understanding? Yes sir. Now go home and practice with your mother. Do you think it will work? No. Home is not a place to study. School is a place to study. Now reverse it. What did Ramakant Achrekar actually do? He told Sachin, play. I'll watch you. I want every teacher to understand that life is about shifting from teaching to coaching. It's a big question, because that must be in your mind. Hey, it's not so easy to be a coach. We have to be a teacher. I understand. What we do to the child? We tell him, come to school prepared. His mother wakes him up. Come on, get ready for school. What is the readiness for school? Wear the uniform. Wear the shoes. And he's ready for school. Mommy tells you, are ready for school? Yes, mom. Is school a place to play uniform? No. School is a place to play with the mind of the child, to develop his mind, his understanding of his subjects. Maybe he is very good in sports, maybe that's another aspect. But I'm focusing on curriculum now. So is he coming prepared for the curriculum? No. A child enters the school blank, will never be a smart child. His intelligence is different. It's not about being intelligent, it's about being smart. Assume I came from Bangalore to Pune. I came by flight. Assume I'm in the flight for 18 hours to reach from Bangalore to Pune. Will I come? Nobody likes to be hanging in the air for 18 hours just to travel Bangalore to Bangalore. I take a bus. Why do I take the flight? Why is that smarter choice? The smarter choice is because it saves time, and life is all about time. And if you can save the child's time, you have made him smarter. How can he do the same thing fast? Now his brain becomes sharper. It's not about listening to you, it's about enjoying with you. That's what we are trying to do in RA. We are going to give them the content before he enters the class, which is now being practiced all over the world. And that's called flipped classroom. Where, assume your child enters the class, he knows what his teacher is teaching. How will he be? He'll be smarter. Otherwise he'll enter, he'll hit toughly to his friend, hey, how are you? Hey. He'll throw some paper. Because he doesn't know where he has come. He knows only one thing, I have to wear a uniform to go to school. But he's not understanding, I have to be prepared for what I'm going into the classroom. What I'm trying to say is, in RE, we are already developed and we are already developing further small modules where, suppose I'm teaching refraction of light first lecture, then that first lecture is already given to the child. He enters the class smarter. Now he's sitting in the class. He's not gossiping around, playing around. He's discussing, hey, reflection of light. Did you see the module? Yeah, man, I have some questions. Yeah, I know. I will participate in the class today. Now the teacher enters. He becomes a coach immediately. Because now the child is having curiosity of the whole learning program. He's interested in the learning program because he knows it. You have an interested child in the class. And the teacher teaches as he is teaching, but the participation level is high. Because he has questions in his mind. He has doubts in his mind. His learning is happening in the classroom.